Looking to boost the performance of your Dell PowerEdge server? Today, we're diving into the ATEX 16GB DDR4 ECC unbuffered RAM, specifically designed for the R250, R330XL, R350, T150, and T350 models. This memory module offers a cost-effective way to breathe new life into your server without breaking the bank. This is a single 16GB module, operating at a speedy 2,666 MHz, PC4-21300. It's a DDR4 DMM with 288 pins, configured as 2RX8, and it's ECC unbuffered, which is crucial for server applications where data integrity is paramount. It operates at the standard DDR4 voltage of 1.2V, ensuring compatibility and power efficiency. ECC unbuffered memory is a game-changer for servers. It detects and corrects internal data corruption, preventing crashes and ensuring your critical applications run smoothly. This is especially important for businesses that rely on their servers for data storage, application hosting, or virtualization. Installing this ATEX RAM module is surprisingly simple. The process is designed to be user-friendly, so you can do it yourself at home. Just consult your server's manual for the correct seating and channel guidelines. No need to be a tech expert to get this upgrade done. The benefit of upgrading your server's RAM is immediately noticeable. With more memory, your system can handle more tasks simultaneously, leading to faster loading times, smoother multitasking, and improved overall performance. This is particularly beneficial if you're running virtual machines, databases, or other resource-intensive applications. ATEX stands behind its products with a limited lifetime warranty, which gives you peace of mind knowing that your investment is protected. Plus, they have a knowledgeable tech team available to assist you before and after your purchase, should you have any questions or need help with installation. In conclusion, the ATEX 16GB DDR4 ECC unbuffered RAM is a solid choice for upgrading the memory in your Dell PowerEdge R250, R330XL, R350, T150, or T350 server. It's easy to install, improves performance, and comes with a lifetime warranty. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable way to boost your server's capabilities, this ATEX memory module is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.